Here is Chalkboard Fantasy Sports app. So then, yeah, you can just tap Get to install it. Double click to install, and real money DFS picks. Play Chalkboard picks. Win up to 100x your money by simply choosing more or less on the projected stat lines of your favorite players. NFL, NBA, college football, college basketball, MLB, and more sports. Coming soon, limited time offer, get up to $100 deposit match bonus, 1000 plus DFS and sports communities, quick and easy withdrawals, never miss a moment, play responsibly. So yeah, that's the app. It's not the most popular fantasy sports game, but yeah, still in the top charts. And then to sign up, you just need to enter your phone number and you will receive verification code. It's not possible to sign in with Apple or Google, Facebook, so only that. And seems you can use any phone number from any country, but I'm just not sure if the app will work from any country, not just US.